Namaste. Welcome to Interior Design by Sandipa Tamang. Today I am sharing 30 plus stunning, low budget, small restaurant design ideas to transform any tiny space. Number 1. Use warm ambient lighting. Number 2. Add hanging pendant lamps. Number 3. Use wall mounted plant shelves. Number 4. Create a greenery corner. Number 5. Use exposed brick wallpaper. Number 6. Choose minimal wooden furniture. Number 7. Add cozy wood seating. Number 8. Use pastel color palettes. Number 9. Install LED strip lights. Number 10. Add mirror to enlarge the space. Number 11. Use flattened chair or decor. Number 12. Create a chalkboard menu wall. Number 13. Use canvas painting. Number 14. Add simple wooden wall panels. Number 15. Use low maintenance indoor plants. Number 16. Showcase handmade crafts. Number 17. Include an open kitchen big window. Number 18. Use patterned floor tiles. Use soft fabric curtains. Number 20. Add a neon coat lights. Number 21. Create photo-friendly corners. Number 22. Use open shelving for decor. Number 23. Mix wood and metal furniture. Number 24. Add hanging basket. Number 25. Use textured wall paint. Number 26. Add table lamp for cozy vibes. Number 27. Create unique table centerpieces. Number 28. Display the restaurant's story on the feature wall. Number 29. Include rustic decor items. Number 30. Use woven mats or rugs. Thank you so much for watching the video till the end. If you liked our video, then don't forget to give it a thumbs up and also share it among your friends. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much guys. See you in the next video. Bye.